So before we dive into project service automation in Dynamics 365, let's have a look into some points about project service automation. So project service automation provides an end-to-end project management capabilities to teams who are executing projects. And it is built on Microsoft Dynamics 365 framework, and almost all kinds of projects can be managed using the PSA. You can access the PSA from unified interface. Before there was the web interface as well, but that is being discontinued. Now with PSA solution installed, resource scheduling is also installed, where PSA lets you define the projects, opportunities, quotations, orders, contracts, and other things. On the other hand, resource scheduling helps you define resource skills, resource roles, and pricing. Now here are some important terms in project service automation that you need to get acquainted with. Now the first is customers. A customer is an organization that includes customer, vendor, partner, affiliate, or others, whereas a contact is an individual associated with maximum one account through contact form. Project opportunities are warm leads who are interested in your project service, which is similar to sales, and there is a separate form for project opportunities, whereas project quotes is something when a potential customer asks for more information about projects such as product pricing, etc. So you can send a quote and you can create one or more quotes for a project opportunity. Now under a project, you can define scope, estimates, timelines, and resources required to meet an objective. Alternatively, you can quickly create a project using project templates. Now when you win a quote, you create a project contract to make it official. So you can create one or more project contracts for a quote. An invoice is used to bill customers for the project. So when you create a project contract, you send the frequency to generate invoices, which can be monthly, yearly, quarterly, and you can modify created invoice before confirming. Now the schedule board shows all resources, their availability, and allows you to book resources for a project. So multiple views are available like hours, days, weeks, and months. You can book resources against a project for scheduling and invoicing, and resources can include users, contacts, accounts, or equipment. Now, resources working on a project can enter their timesheets, which is time entries, explaining how much time they spent working on a project, and the users enter duration in minutes, hours, or days. As the name suggests, expenses against a project can be entered by resources so that you can invoice your client, and the frequency of entering expenses may vary based on your project requirements. So these are some of the terms that you need to get acquainted with. So when we discuss project service automations in upcoming videos, these terms will be frequently repeated.